When I first started learning a second language, I had a big problem. I knew vocabulary, I knew grammar, but when it was time to speak, my mind went blank. I didn't know what to say. I froze. Sound familiar? If you've ever felt stuck in a real conversation, this episode is for you. Because here's the truth. You'll never speak English confidently if you don't know these phrases. These are the exact expressions native speakers use every day, and once you know them, everything changes. You'll finally understand what to say and how to say it naturally. So today, I'm giving you the tools to unlock real conversation. No grammar rules, no stress. Just real English that works. So what exactly are these phrases? They're the short, simple expressions native speakers use all the time in cafes, in offices, on the phone, with friends. Phrases that carry real meaning, tone, and connection. They're not formal, they're not complicated, but they're powerful because they help you sound natural. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through them step by step, 15 phrases. You'll hear each phrase, understand how it's used, and repeat them with me, just like a real conversation. And by the end, you won't just recognize these phrases, you'll own them. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who's learning English. Let's start with the first 5 phrases. I'll explain each one, give you a couple of real examples, and we'll repeat them together. Here we go. That makes sense. We use this when we understand something and agree with it. Example 1.
I thought the meeting was at 10, but they moved it to 11.
Oh, that makes sense.
Example 2.
She didn't answer because her phone died.
Ah, that makes sense.
Repeat after me. That makes sense. One more time. That makes sense. Phrase 2. I'm not sure. This is a softer way to say I don't know. Example 1.
Do you know if he's coming today?
I'm not sure.
Example 2.
What time does the movie start?
I'm not sure.
Say it with me. I'm not sure. Again. I'm not sure. Phrase 3. Let me check. We say this when we need a moment to look something up, on our phone, computer, or just to think. Example 1.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
Let me check.
Example 2.
Do we have milk at home?
Let me check.
Repeat. Let me check. Once more. Let me check. Phrase 4. I'll get back to you. This means I'll give you the answer later. Great for work or polite conversations. Example 1.
Can you join us on Friday?
I'm not sure yet. I'll get back to you.
Example 2.
What did the client say?
I haven't heard yet. I'll get back to you.
Say it. I'll get back to you. One more time. I'll get back to you. Phrase 5. Don't worry about it. A casual way to say it's okay or no problem. Example 1.
Sorry, I spilled some coffee on the table.
Don't worry about it.
Example 2.
Thanks for helping me.
Hey, don't worry about it.
Repeat after me. Don't worry about it. Again, don't worry about it. That's 5 powerful phrases, short, simple, and super useful in real life. Let's keep going. The next 5 are even better. These will help you sound more natural when you're talking with friends, coworkers, or even strangers. Let's go. Phrase 6. It's up to you. This means you decide. You're giving the other person the power to choose. For example,
Should we order pizza or cook something?
It's up to you.
or
Do you want to go out or stay in?
Totally up to you.
repeat after me. It's up to you. One more time. It's up to you. Phrase 7. I didn't catch that. Use this when you didn't hear or understand what someone said. For example, sorry, could you repeat that? I didn't catch it. Or, I didn't catch that. Did you say 15 or 50? Say it with me. I didn't catch that. Again, I didn't catch that. Phrase 8. Let's get started. This is how you begin something, a meeting, a lesson, a task. For example, everyone's here? Great, let's get started. Or, we have a lot to do today. Let's get started. Repeat, let's get started. One more time, let's get started. Phrase 9, that's not what I meant. Say this when someone misunderstood you, a very helpful phrase in conversation. For example,
Oh, I thought you were angry.
No, that's not what I meant.
or
You said you didn't like it.
Wait, that's not what I meant.
say it with me. That's not what I meant. Again, that's not what I meant. Phrase 10, you've got this. This means you can do it. It's a way to cheer someone on and give support. For example, nervous about your test? Don't worry, you've got this. Or, first day on the job? Relax, you've got this. Repeat, you've got this. Again, you've got this. Awesome job. You're halfway through, and these phrases are already making you sound like a native. Ready for the final 5? Let's finish strong. These are perfect for casual conversations, texting, or even at work. Phrase 11. Take your time. Use this to tell someone there's no rush. They can go at their own pace. Example 1. You don't have to answer now. Take your time. Example 2. No worries. Take your time with the report. Repeat. Take your time. Again, take your time. Phrase 12. That's a good point. Say this when someone says something smart or helpful. A great phrase to agree respectfully. Example 1.
We shouldn't send it yet. It's not ready.
That's a good point.
Example 2.
If we wait, we might save money.
Yeah, that's a good point.
Say it with me. That's a good point. One more time. That's a good point. Phrase 14. Let me know. This means tell me later when you have an answer or decision. Example 1. Let me know if you're coming to the party. Example 2. If anything changes, just let me know. Repeat. Let me know. Again, let me know. Phrase 15. I'm just kidding. Use this when you make a joke or don't want someone to take you seriously. Example 1. You really believe that? I'm just kidding. Example 2. Relax, I was just kidding. Say it with me. I'm just kidding. One more time. I'm just kidding. Phrase 16. What do you think? Use this when you want someone's opinion. Supernatural and useful. Example 1. I'm thinking of changing jobs. What do you think? Example 2. We could go out or stay in. What do you think? Repeat. What do you think? Again. What do you think? Boom. 15 phrases that will unlock your English. Now you don't just understand them, you can use them. And the more you practice, the more natural they'll feel. Want a quick review? Let's do it. Let's go over the 15 phrases one more time. Nice and easy. Just listen and repeat after me. That makes sense. I'm not sure. Let me check. I'll get back to you. Don't worry about it. It's up to you. I didn't catch that. Let's get started. That's not what I meant. You've got this. Take your time. That's a good point. Let me know. I'm just kidding. What do you think? Great job. If you repeat this section a few more times during the week, these phrases will become second nature. Remember, real fluency comes from real practice, and you're doing it. And that's it for today's episode. You just learned 15 essential phrases that native English speakers use every single day. The kind of language that makes your English sound real, natural, and confident. But don't stop here. Go back to the review section. Repeat this episode during the week. Try using 2 or 3 of these phrases in real life today, even if it's just talking to yourself in the mirror. Because every time you use them, you get closer to speaking English without thinking. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and share it with a friend who's learning English. And tell me in the comments, which phrase was your favorite? Which one are you going to use today? You're not just learning English, you're becoming a speaker. Keep practicing, keep going, and I'll see you in the next episode.